The problem is that we always look at cleansing our skin as washing your face because that's what we grow up on. Muh dhoya, did you wash your face? But as you grow up and with your skin slowing down, your body slowing down and all the environment pollution and the products that you're using, you don't need to wash your face, you need to cleanse your face. And that is where there is the difference in how do you do the two. I'm going to be giving you a demo of how to actually cleanse your face. The first thing you need to do is to identify a good cleanser. A cleanser is not going to dehydrate your skin, it's not going to leave your skin feeling totally parched and dry, and that is incredibly important. What I do is I have a towel for every day of the week. I use this towel through the day and then it goes for wash in the evening, and keep a tissue close by. So you go in with your cleanser. The most important thing is that your face is dry when you apply the cleanser. You need very little quantity, you just need one pump and that's it. You apply it on your skin and you go in every single place. Then you take just a little bit of water to kind of add a little bit of slip on your face. The reason why it's important to massage the cleanser onto your face is because you want the cleanser to go to work and start breaking the oils and the film that is on your face, right? This film could be just the debris, the pollution elements, the sunscreen, and just your body oils. You just take very, very little water in between just to get the slip and you keep working on your skin. Typically, this should easily take you between a minute or two, definitely not less than that. And you need to go round and round. Don't forget the corners of your face. I'm just going to do my face, otherwise you go into your neck area as well and right down to your décolleté. You have to work it in. You then go into your eye area. Now, your cleanser should not be irritating your eyes. If it's irritating your eyes, throw the cleanser out. You don't need a separate cleanser for your eye area at all. The same cleanser needs to go to work on your eye area. You can't have a cleanser that's not going to touch your eyes. I mean, it's part of the face. And if it's irritating your eyes, that formulation is not right at all. So you go into your eye. Now, when you go into your eye area, remember you have a lot of slip. So don't feel shy about going in and rubbing the product in to get all the makeup out. So you're typically not really pushing the skin here and there, you're just rubbing on top. And because there's enough slip in the area, you typically don't disturb the skin too much. It's just a very superficial rubbing. I know it feels to you from the other side that I'm really going in, but it's really, really gentle. It's important to make sure that you're getting in all the makeup out. And if you have a lot of makeup is not coming out, leave the product there for some time, let it work into your makeup and get the product out. Go back in, and as you can see, I have it all over my face. Now, before you use water, it's important to go in with the tissue and get all the makeup out. Now at this point, because your makeup is well dissolved, just dabbing it is enough for the makeup to come out. So you don't have to fight to get the makeup out. And that's what a good massage and a good cleanser will do for you. It will just get the product out without too much of struggle, and that's exactly what you want for your eye area, right? You can see my dark circles. So I've got all the mascara and I've got all the kajal out. Now before you go in with water, change the tissue and get all the extra product out of your face. This will help you save water to begin with, and secondly, it will help get all the oils out of your face along with the product. Especially if your lipstick is very creamy. The moment you add water, you kind of dilute the product, so therefore it becomes less effective almost immediately. So you don't want to do that until you really finish cleaning your face. Now I'm going to go splash nice water and get all the product out. Now your face is all washed out, the product is gone. Dab your face dry. You don't have to go in and have like a kushti with it and kind of drying it up. You're just taking off the water and you're letting it dry out. I'll use this towel through the day and then it goes for a wash, and the next day, new towel. Let me know how you've been washing your face or cleansing your face. Till I catch you next time, be good to your skin.